song written by Elton John and made famous when he did it as a duet with George Michael. These are the chords you're going to need to do this song, and don't let that B flat scare you off. I have some tips and also some modifications that'll help you get through the few incidences where we have to play B flat. I've got an easy strumming pattern for you, and then I've got some modifications that will help you kind of add a little zhuzh to your strum. We've got a practice session with just the strumming chords, and then there's a play along. Let's do this together. Doing a B flat can be daunting. It's a semi-bar, but you can do it as a full bar. But I play the index finger on the E and A string, and then reaching over with my middle and ring finger to catch all those strings like that. What happens on the back of my hand here is worth noting. I really have to change the position of my thumb from a C chord like this to the B flat. So I slide it up and the whole hand comes closer to the fretboard so that you can kind of cinch it down. Kind of think of like a vice grip. If you don't want to play a B flat, try playing a G minor 7 and missing your G string. 3-note chord works just fine. You could also do a B flat major 7, which is like the B flat, but you start here on the E string and bring it over like that. Don't play your A string. Kind of scoop away and just get the top 3 strings. You'll get the same sound, just minus a string. I think the basic rock strum is a really good choice for this song. I'll play it several times on a C. So down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 down. Not all chords have 4 beats though, so we have to use a 2-beat strum. So I'll play this on an F and then a C to get 4 beats on. Each one gets a 2-beat strum. Here I go. F, C, do it again. F, down, up, C, down, up. If you want to give a little extra flavor to your strumming, there are 3 things you can do. First of all is you can use your thumb on the down strum, on the basic rock strum and the 2-beat strum. Using your thumb is because your thumb has more weight, so more sound, more volume on one, and then also because your thumb has more control and you want to get each string to kind of ring out in what we call an arpeggio. And Sir Elton John does lots of little arpeggios on his piano work, so we're kind of imitating what he does. Speaking of imitation though, he's throwing in lots of little quick passing chords. So we can do that pretty easily on this. Every time there's an up strum, play it as an A minor 7. A minor 7, totally open strings on that up strum. So looking at the first line of the song, where in yellow, those are 2-beat strums, I would just throw in the A minor 7. I'll talk you through it. So it's G, 2, 3, down, up, G7, 2, 3, down, up, F, 2, up, C, down, up, F, down, up, C, down, up. So you're getting an extra chord sound in there, which Elton John is doing all the time in his piano playing. Well, there is a third thing that you can do to spice it up. At the ends of phrases on the verse, we have usually 2 sets of 2-beat strums. So like in this first one, F and C, F and C. Instead of doing a 2-beat strum, you can throw in some finger picking on the last 2. So on your A and E string. So I'll show you what that sounds like on the F and C with those graphics. So down, pick, pick, C, pick, pick, F, pick, pick, C, pick, pick. And so again, that gives more piano flavor. Let's play the intro. Remember, if they are in yellow, they get the 2-beat strum. I am going to be doing the thumb on the first beat of each of those strumming patterns, and I'm also going to be throwing the up strum A minor 7, but you don't have to. 1, 2, ready, begin. Well, that G is in the verse, so let's practice the verse. There is a first ending and a second ending on the verse in this song. We only play that first ending once, but let's practice it and then we'll go to the next one with the second ending with no space in between. We'll just roll it. 1, 2, ready, begin. Into a C for the chorus. So let's do the chorus. And just a reminder, you have speed controls. If I'm going too fast, just please slow me down. Yeah. So, and on the chorus down there on the bottom, all those slash, single down strums, 1 on each beat. So it goes pretty quick. 1, 2, ready, begin. Just as somebody that hears a lot of ukulele players, here's a tip: if those single down strums are a problem, you're completely normal, and just sit back and just practice that going. You're on an F chord, and then you go, add the finger, D minor, C, F, G, C. Go through that 10 times, nice and slowly. You'll iron out a lot of issues, come back to it next day, following day, you'll get it. You will. Just isolate it and have some fun with it. Let's play this together. You can get a chord chart all of your own. There's a link in the description and the comments. Our starting vocal pitch is a B, 2nd fret on the A string. I can light singing an octave lower than that. I can't lie.
1, 2, 1, 2, ready, begin. I can't lie, no more of your darkness. All my pictures seem to fade to black and white. I'm growing tired, and time stands still before me. Frozen here on the ladder of my life. It's much too late to save myself from falling. I took a chance and changed your way of life. But you misread my meaning when I met you. Close the door and left me blinded by the light. Don't let the sun go down on me. Although I searched myself, it's always someone else I see. I just allowed a fragment of your life to wander free. But losing everything is like the sun going down on me. I can't find all the right romantic line, but see me once and see the way I feel. Don't discard me, baby. Don't just because you think I mean you harm. But these cuts I have, they need love to help and heal. Don't let the sun go down on me. Although I search myself, it's always someone else I see. I just allowed a fragment of your life to wander free. But losing everything is like the sun going down on me. But losing everything is like the sun going down on me.
I hope you enjoyed playing that with me. Thanks again to my patrons for selecting this song. I hope to see you in my next tutorial, and don't forget to like and subscribe because it massively helps this channel. Thank you so much.